Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Claude File Upload is failed. So to start, refresh the page or close it completely, then reopen it and see if that solves the problem. Next, you can also open your phone settings. Now scroll down and go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and select Claude. Then in here, you can choose to delete the app or offload app. If you choose to offload app, this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. If you choose to delete the app, so this will delete the app and all related data from this phone or from your iPhone. So this action can't be undone, but you can reinstall it by going to Play Store or App Store. Next, you can also again go to your phone settings, then check your internet connection and see if you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also switch from Wi Fi to data or from data to Wi Fi. Then go back to Claude and see if that solves the problem. That's basically it. Thank you for watching.